Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot a quick little video just to go over a few tips and tricks that you can do that's really going to help your business by utilizing your website and your Google business profile. So looking at your site, looks like this was created by Wix. So I'm assuming you might have done this yourself or had a friend help you. So I did notice that these links right here aren't working. They're not taking you to anything at all. So you might want to look into that. But one thing that I would definitely suggest is content. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. I know it sounds like a lot, but the reason for this is because throughout all that content, you can strategically place keywords, and those keywords matter. That's how you get found in Google searches. What a keyword is think of when your customers are looking for you, what are they going to type into Google? They're going to type carpet cleaners Chicago or carpet cleaners, if you serve Naperville or any of the outside areas, those kind of things. You want that written over and over and over all throughout that content because that tells Google, this is the search that I want my website to be found for. Also, all these pictures count as content, so you can save these as keywords too, and that helps. So we're going to take a look and see how your site is performing. This is shows how the analytics of your site is doing. So what's really important are these backlinks and referring domains. That is how you really boost your strength and trust with Google. Right now, you only have 4 backlinks coming from one referring domain. What this is, a backlink is anytime an outside website has got your site listed and it points directions back to you. Not all websites are created the same though. Some are spammy and some are very authoritative. So you do want to go after the ones that have that authority with Google and are relative to your niche. You are not ranking for any keyword. So at the moment, if anybody is searching for carpet cleaning in Chicago, unless they specifically search AAA carpet, you're not going to come up. And so you're not getting any sites clicks to your site right now. Generally, when you use a Wix site to build your website, it is going to just really be more like a digital business card rather than something that is bringing in clients and bringing in revenue and helping you grow. So I'm going to go show you what I mean. I searched carpet cleaning Chicago, Illinois, and here's what comes up. So the first thing that people are going to see besides that ad is this right here. And this is what we call the Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile really comes into play. I'm not sure if you've filled one out yet, but definitely go and make one because you want to be ranking in the top 3 in every area that you service. So even if it's Evanston or, if you want to get more specific, I would suggest doing that. So in order to do that, when you fill out your Google business profile, there's an about section on the bottom. Make sure that's completely filled out. You want to optimize it using keywords. You also want to post. You can post the first time you do it, you can post up to 10 photos. Make sure you have all those posted, but then weekly be adding branded and geotagged photos. Also, as you get Google business reviews, make sure you're responding to every one of those. Most business owners forget that they're supposed to be responding to them. But the most important thing to rank is what we call citations. A citation is anywhere that your business name, number, address are listed all throughout the internet in places and directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There are thousands of these directories out there. So you want to go out and list your information in as many places as possible because Google is a huge popularity contest. The idea is that all this is going to begin to add up and it's going to create your online presence that's going to allow you to be seen more often by those who are searching for your services, but also to get you recognized by Google. So the first competitor that comes up is this Windy City Carpet Cleaning, Chicago. So we're going to take a look at their site. Decent site. You'll see that they have a lot of content, but there is room for more content. So that does work in your favor if you up your content. Let's see how they're performing. So right here, they have 640 backlinks coming from 140 referring domains. So the goal is to find your top competitors, come in here, find what referring domains they have got themselves listed at, and not only match that, but outrank them by at least 100 referring domains. Because of all their content, they are ranking for 859 keywords, which is bringing in 1,000 hits to their site a month. So they've having 1,000 visitors, and that's because of these keywords right in here. Now, when we look at keywords, there's two different kinds. There's branded, informational, national keywords. But what we want is called local buyer intent. And again, that's what is your client searching. So they're searching for carpet cleaning Chicago. That's what you want to rank for, or rug cleaning. So right here, carpet cleaning Chicago is searched 900 times a month. They are getting 120 of those clicks because they are ranked number 2 on Google. Rug Cleaner Chicago is searched 500 times a month. Carpet Cleaner Chicago is searched 250 times a month. So you want to come in and find what are these high volume keywords. And again, the same would apply. It could be carpet cleaners Naperville, or Naperville or Evanston carpet cleaning. So it all just depends. You want to rank for every area that you service. But if it is just Chicago, as you can see, there's still plenty of searches throughout Chicago. So I hope that this video has been beneficial and informational. Again, it's just a really great way to utilize your website and your Google business profile. It's going to help you grow and bring in more customers. So we really look forward to hearing your feedback, and we'll talk to you soon.